In this video we will see how to list references or bibliography. Full list of references used in the essay, assignment or dissertation must be included at the end of your essay. Reference list is detailed list of references you have cited in your work, and bibliography is detailed list of references cited in your work plus extra background readings or materials you may have read, but not cited in your work. You may require reference list, bibliography or both. Please check with your university. Here is example of reference list and bibliography. Let's see now how to write reference for book by one author. It will be author's surname, initials, year of publication, then the title of the book, which should be in italics, and edition if it's not first, place of publication and publisher. Punctuation is very important. So it will be surname, comma, initials dot, year in brackets or without. Please check with your university, space, title of book in italics, dot, edition if not first, dot, place of publication, colon, publisher, dot. For book by two and more than two authors it's again surname, initials, date, title of the book in italics, edition if not first, place of publication, publisher, use and before the name of last author as you can see in the examples below. For more sources with different authors, authors should be separated by semicolons after year when you cite in text. Semicolon indicates different sources, oldest publication first, for different author same year. It should be cited by author's surname in alphabetical order. For same author same year, add a lowercase letter after the year. And for same author different years, don't repeat author's surname. Oldest year first separated by semicolon. List all the sources in reference list by alphabetical order. Let's see for book by a corporate author now. Corporate name or corporate author's name will be used instead of author's name. If the item is produced by an organization, then use organization as corporate author, as is shown in reference list example. For in-text citation, same way corporate name will be used when you cite in the text or body of an essay. For edited book, write ed next to editor and eds for more than one editor. It will be surname, initials, ed, year, title in italics, place of publication, publisher. For author and editor, it will be surname, initials of author, year, title in italics, edition if not first, surname, initials of editor or editor's eds, place of publication, publisher. For a chapter in edited book, if you are referencing a book with chapters written by different authors, you need to give details of the chapter and the book in which you read it. So it will be surname, initials, year, chapter title, in, surname, initials of editor, eds, title of book, edition if not first edition, place of publication, publisher, page numbers. If you are referring to a single page, then use single P. If you are referring to multiple pages, then use double P. Let's see now how to reference article in journal and newspaper. For article in a journal, it will be surname, initials, year, title of article, publication in italics, volume, issue number, page number. If it's not taken from electronic source, then you don't have to mention URL or date accessed. For article in a newspaper, surname, initials, year, title of article, publisher in italics, date, the day it was published, and page number. Article from section of newspaper and research report. For article from particular section of newspaper, surname, initials, year, title of article, publisher and section in italics, published date, page number. For research report, organization name, year, title of report in italics, place of publication, publisher. Now let's see the difference between referencing book and article to understand it properly. For book and research reports, surname, initials, year, title of the book in italics, edition if not first, place of publication, publisher. For article, surname, initials, year, title of article, publication in italics, volume, issue number, page number. Let's look at this table now. This table is very helpful to compare and visualize how to write the references for different sources, which we have gone through. Here you can see the difference in referencing book, corporate author, edited book, chapter in edited book, article in journal, article in newspaper, article from particular section of newspaper and research report. Let's see how to reference any missing details from the source. For no date, if the source has copyright date, put C, like C2019 in citation and referencing. If the source has no copyright date and no publication date, put no date in citation and in referencing. For no page number are included for only few types of references in reference list or bibliography, like journal articles, newspapers, and chapter in edited book. If the source has no page number, use no pagination. For approximate date, use the date preceded by CA. If it's no publisher or place of publication, use no publisher or no place in square brackets. For no author, if there is no individual or corporate author, use anon in reference and citation. Anon for anonymous. If is error in quote and you want to draw attention towards it, use sic in square brackets. Helpful tips. List references in alphabetical order. Punctuation is important. Mention all the author's editor's name in the reference list. Include page number where needed, and also for diagram, table, image from a source. MS Word reference section and EndNote software are very helpful tools for referencing. Always check your university guidelines, they may slightly differ sometimes, and to keep up with updates. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will be presenting how to reference electronic sources and conferences.